Oh my God, it's on video. Shut up. All right, Frankie, what are you doing? Okay. Right in front of me, right? Oh my God! Shut up with that! We're launching.
No, so these guys on YouTube, Kyle, Ryan, and Captain Mike, they work for Motion RC. They always say it in the videos. Like, you know how kids run here, they say, like, send it when they're doing something crazy. I think that's what they use it for there. Take a monkey pants.
Okay.
eBay fans.
All right, gonna do a low pass and launch.
Take a monkey pants. It's not even funny anymore.
Launching. Yep. Only one went.
That's weird, only one launched.
Yeah, but not the one that I thought wasn't going to, so that's
Is that
weird.
a one-time deal?
Yeah.
It is.
I gotta see if that other one will go.
Yeah, only one of them went off.
It's supposed to be 2 rockets, but only one
There's
went.
2 and it goes way faster.
Can you try doing it again, see if the other one goes off?
I just did it, didn't. I might have disconnected it or bumped it or broken it or something.
Oh well, that was fun.
That's a great sound.
That's the whole point. It's not really the speed, just the sound. All right, I'm landing. Here we go again with that sticking thing.
Frank is dogging. We're landing.
All right.
I got it on video too.
That's what he was doing.